In this short video, I will show you how to clean up your Outlook calendar or how to reset your Outlook calendar in Classic Outlook. First of all, go to your Outlook calendar and now click on View, click on Change View, and here select List View. And here you will find all of your created calendar events. Now to delete all of them, to reset your calendar, press Ctrl A to select everything in your calendar. Now you can press delete button on your keyboard, or you can right click any of the selected event and just click on delete. And here, as you can see, I've successfully resetted my Outlook calendar. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.